Hey, it's Michelle Bell here with your Fast Five, where we share a quick tip for your business that you can implement and start using right away to build your network marketing business. So one of the tips that's been crucial to my business is what I'm going to share with you today. So this tip has to do with YouTube. So some of you that are listening already know this, and that's awesome. Some of you are not utilizing this, and I'm hoping that this will help you to change that. So to YouTube or not to YouTube, utilize YouTube, don't utilize YouTube. What should you do? So right now there's so many different options to promote your business and to promote yourself, correct? There is YouTube, there is Pinterest and Instagram and Snapchat. I mean, there's so many different things. And then there's also then there's also YouTube. So in my opinion, you cannot afford to not be using YouTube for your business, okay? You can't afford not to. YouTube is owned by Google. And so when people are searching for things, it's very common that number one, if they go to Google, videos will be some of the first things that pop up. That's right. You can go test it out. Go to Google and search for something, and the YouTube videos will be one of the very first things that pops up. But the other cool thing is now people aren't even going to Google to search for things. They're actually going straight to YouTube. And what are they searching for? They're searching for how-tos, for value, for feedback, for reviews, all these kind of things for them to get knowledge, right? And you can be that source for them on YouTube, okay? So if you're not utilizing YouTube, I want to share a few different ways that you can use YouTube to benefit your business, okay? Number one, make sure you have a YouTube account set up because it's free. Like I said, you can't afford not to have a YouTube account, okay? YouTube is free. Number two, a lot of you are already doing live videos on Facebook. I am too. Awesome. You're utilizing this great tool that Facebook has. Are you just uploading things to Facebook because you just spent 30 minutes, an hour, 5 minutes, whatever, hopping on Facebook, making a video or filming a video about your products or how to use something or a tip, things like that. And all you have to do is repurpose that video. Excuse me. I could feel that coming on. All you have to do is repurpose that video. Okay. You could even upload it as is. But I would suggest condensing it, doing a little bit of editing. Take that same content that you've already spent time creating and upload it to Facebook, okay? And then YouTube. And then on YouTube, you can add hashtags and links and descriptions and things that are going to attract people to watch your video. But it doesn't end there. You can use, so this is my third tip, you can use the videos that you've now uploaded to YouTube and you can share them in many ways, okay? You can share them to Pinterest. Did you know you can pin YouTube videos? It's pretty awesome. You can upload them and share them in a blog that you do. So you can take your YouTube video, put it on a blog, okay, and then share that blog to Pinterest and to Instagram and to Facebook, and then that content is there all the time. On Facebook, sometimes, once you've done a video and it scrolls down, sometimes it kind of gets lost. You can't really search for Facebook videos very well. That doesn't really come across the same way, but you can search for YouTube videos extremely easily, okay? And I credit getting to the top rank in my company a lot to YouTube. Now, here's my last tip, okay? Because some of you are thinking, well, I don't know what to share. What do I share on YouTube? What do people want to look for? When you learn a tip, you share it, okay? If I could give any tip on how to build successfully is to add value, and you're getting value every day. If you're doing self-development, you're learning new things all the time, okay? All the time. And normally what we do is we keep those to ourselves. Okay, we keep those tips, those secrets, all those things to ourselves. Well, I made a decision in my business that I wouldn't keep it to myself. As soon as I learned something new, I made a video on it and I shared it. And because I started sharing value, people saw me as an expert in the field. Am I an expert in my field? I don't know, maybe not. I've been doing this for a while, but what I do differently from other people is I take what I learned and I reshare it and I give value back to people. And people want to join my organization because of that. People want to be part of that because of that. People want to follow you. They want to share because of that. So many of you are taking information and knowledge of your industry, of your own company, of your products, and you're keeping it to yourself, and you're doing yourself a disservice, because that information could help somebody else. So you need to start giving the information out to people, okay? And you will get things back 100-fold. All right. So if you don't have a YouTube account, create one. Start uploading your videos there and find creative ways to share them, because we don't have to work harder to be successful with this business. We just have to work smarter. So instead of, one-on-one messaging or appointments or texting, we can create a video that literally thousands of people will watch in a week or a month. What sounds more appealing to you? Okay. YouTube is super, super easy, Christy. All you need is a Google account, which is free. So if you literally go on YouTube and you click login, it'll say login with your Google account, because Google owns YouTube. You guys need to know that. That's huge. Google owns YouTube. So you log in with a Google account. A Google account is totally free. If you don't have one, you just create one. All you need is a Gmail address. Bam. And that's it. It's so, so simple. It will honestly take you 2 minutes. And if you don't know how to do it, go to YouTube and just type in how to create a YouTube account, and I guarantee someone has created a video on it. So it's a huge, huge resource there. All right. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys. Feel free to share. Thank you for taking about 5 minutes out of your day to learn something new that can help your business, and have a fantastic Monday. Bye, you guys.